Hello friends, welcome to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss how to trade with the result stocks. You may notice that recently I am posting some videos about result stocks for next week. In that video I given some stock with the levels. So in this video we are going to discuss how to trade with that levels. So let's see. These are the levels I given on October 10th. So let's see what will be happen these stocks after October 10. The first stock I was given Delta Corporation 268.85 and 265 is the level. So let's see. See from 11th you can see the 50 minutes candle is closing above the level 268.85 level. Then it's a buy. From there it's going to 305 level. See. Again it comes down and again touch the support and goes up. Again it's touched the same level, goes up. Now it's trading the level. If the 50 minutes candle is closing above, we can go for buy, and if the 50 minutes candle is closing below, then go for sell. Okay, we are not using any kind of indicator, we are just draw this level, and if the 50 minutes candle is closing above this level, we are going for buy. If the 50 minutes candle is closing below this level, then going for sell. So Delta Corp is working fine as per the level. It's act as a strong support still till now. These are the levels we can use not only for the result day, after that also we can use. Some people are thinking that this level is only used for the result day. It's not like that. You can use any time. Whenever market is touch this level, you can see the movement. The next stock is Infosys. You can see here from 11th there is a 50 minutes candle is closing above the level, then it's going up. After that there is a 50 minutes candle is closing below the level, it comes down. Again you can see here the candle is closing above the level and market is goes up. Again touch the level, again it's going up. See, it's act as a strong support now. Now it's again touch the level and it's going up. So if the 50 minutes candle is closing below, then only it's sell. The stock is Wipro. You can see .11th 50 minutes candle is closing above the level, then it's going up. See, here also it's closing above, then it's going up. More than 13% we got it. See. Next stock is Mindtree. Mindtree, you can see the candle is closing above the level, then it's going up. The result day is 13th. 13th day the candle is closing above the level. The next day it's going up. Again you can see it comes down and touch the same level, and again it's going down. The level is working perfect. The last one is HCL. This is the levels I was given, HCL. You can see this is the level 1299. The result day is 14th, and you can see the 14th it's just touch the level and comes down. See, now it's downtrend. Whenever the candle is 50 minutes candle is closing above the level, then only it's a buy trend, HCL Tech. Okay. So whenever I'm posting this level, you just open the chart and mark the levels on the chart, and you can put alert here. Okay. So whenever market is touch that level, you will get the pop-up. Then only you just check the chart. These levels you can use anytime, not only for result day. Whenever market is touch that level, you just check the 50 minutes candle is closing above the level or below the level. If candle is closing above the level, you can buy a call option. If the 50 minutes candle is closing below the level, you can buy a put option. Future traders, you can buy and sell based on these levels. Okay. So these levels is valid for all the times, not only for the result day. You can see the other videos also, result stocks for next level with the entry level. Just apply the same strategy. We are not using any kind of indicator. You just draw the levels on the chart and just check 50 minutes candle is closing above or below. Based on that, you can take the position. So hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt about it, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Nilo on your Telegram. And if you wish to join my private Telegram channel, you just open account under my reference or join premium membership. Okay. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.